Hello and welcome to the Helmet Head YouTube channel. Now, have you ever experienced riding your bike and you go to pull out, especially on something like a dual carriageway? You put your indicator on, you've checked your mirror, you've done a quick look and you go to pull out and then there's a car there and you've gone, whoa, you've had to sway in. Well, what if we could make our bikes even more safe by adding a simple device? Because inside this box is the third eye and it's made by INNOVV. And what it will do, it will look behind you as you're riding along. It will sense any vehicle coming up and there's an easy display system. So you know that something's in that blind spot and you need to wait before you pull out. What could literally save your life. Now, INNOVV have sent me this to show you exactly what you get inside the box, to show you how to install it, and of course, how it works in the real world. So let's jump into it, and let's start with the great unboxing. When you receive your product, the packaging is well printed, premium quality, and all your items are well packed. The first thing you'll find inside the box is your radar detector. This is made of a nice, strong metal material. The radar can sense up to 50 meters with a 150-degree angle. Next, you'll find your mirror alert displays. These will shine up red when anything goes past the rear of your vehicle, plus they're also set up with audio, so you'll get a nice audio sound. As you can see, again, they're made from a metal material fitting premium quality. Likewise with the control unit, with everything nicely printed on the back so you can easily know where everything goes for easy installation. The power cable has a fuse in it as well, what can go to an ignition feed, meaning that the device will always switch on and off every time you power up the bike, and you get a whole load of accessories for installation. The instructions are clear and easy to understand with step-by-step guide, and that's everything you'll find inside the box. So now it's time to move on to installation. The first thing you need to do is remove any plastics on the side of your bike and locate your battery. This is normally found underneath the seat. Next, take your mirror alert display. This is designed to go onto your mirror using 3M pads, but it can also go on different parts of the bike, like your brake reservoir or a different location that you can find with a nice smooth surface. Each mirror alert display on the back will tell you if it's the left or right hand side. All you do is pop your 3M pad on, removing the protective cover, find that perfect location on your bike, and then with a nice firm push and it will be locked and secured in place. It's now time to take the cable and run it the length of your bike. Make sure that you follow the rest of the wiring loop so it's nice and safe, and then run it underneath your tank or along the side of your plastics to where the battery is located, and repeat this process with the other mirror alert display. A thing to note, as you can see, I don't have the standard mirrors, I have bar end mirrors, so I found the locations on my bike where this device fits. Because it's so small, it can literally stick onto any flat surface. Next, take your control unit with the power cable. All you have to do with this is put your plus onto an ignition feed and your black onto the negative of your battery. I like to use a Thunderbox system that's already wired up to my battery that only switches on when the voltage is correct. It makes installation super easy because all I have to do with a Thunderbox system is pull up the prong, push the wire in, pull it down, and it'll be locked and secure in place. It has a plus and negative, and like I said, it only powers up when your bike is at the correct voltage. If you look on back of the control box, you'll see that everything is clearly labelled, so you can't connect any wires in any way in the wrong locations. So now take your cables from your mirror alert displays and plug them into the correct location. These are push screw cables. It means you push the connectors together, screw them till they feel tight, and they'll be locked into place. Now it's time to install your radar. I'm going to use the sticky pad option, and as you can see, it's really easy to do. You just pop the bolt in the bottom of the nice plastic pad, put the U-clamp on top, tighten with the Allen key provided. Next, take your radar, slide that onto the U-clamp, and then simply tighten again, and it will be nice and firm, locked into place. Take your 3M sticky pad, peel off the protective layer, put it onto the back of the plastic pad. This will also curve to fit the shape of any mudguard or wherever you want to fit it on the bike, but take your time to make sure you find the perfect location. Once you have, just peel off the other protective layer, and with a nice firm push, that will also be locked into place. You can adjust your radar location and angle simply by undoing the two little bolts on the side and adjusting it so it's perfect. With that done, just run the cable the length of the bike and connect it into the correct location. And the final thing to do is go around your bike, making sure that all of your wires are nice and safe and secure. I like to use rubber ties. These are really easy and simple because they stretch. But go around and make sure that none of the wires are touching any of the engine or dangling down that could cause any damage to your bike or the system itself. Reinstall any plastics you've taken off the bike and pop your seat back on, and that is installation complete. On firing up your motorcycle, you'll get 3 flashes from the mirror alert displays. That means everything's working correctly. So all you got to do now is jump on your bike and enjoy the ride. Well, here we are out on the road getting to test out the INNOVV third eye system, and as you can see where I've located the little lights that will come on, it's just a lovely location because I glanced the mirror, that light's going to shine up, meaning it's going to give me that full effect that I need to know not to pull out. So let's start with the first test. Let's overtake, and what you'll notice straight away as we go past these vehicles is that the system isn't activated because the radar on the back works when a vehicle's approaching, not moving away. So you're not getting any unnecessary alerts. What's awesome, so this system's not just going to go mad at you constantly as you're going down the road. But let's put the third eye to the real test on a dual carriageway, and let's see exactly how this system reacts and find out how this could stop you from making a big mistake. Now instantly you've seen the light up there as that car was in my blind spot. This system has a 150-degree angle. It has a really precise radar, so it's not going to make loads of mistakes and go mad when you don't want it to. And what we'll look for now, I've got a car coming up on my outside, and say for instance I was behind a truck and I want to get by, and I have a quick look in my mirror and a quick glance, but there's still that blind spot, and watch the third eye do its job. So if I was going to go, I'm going to pull out now, literally it's lit up, saving me from pulling out, from making that big mistake. So now I'm going to look in my mirror, I'm going to do my check, and I'm going to pull out, and I know I'm safe because that one glance as I come back at that will show me that I'm safe to pull out. And again, let's accelerate past some cars and see exactly what happens on the left hand side. See, nothing. So no false indications, just the right indications at the right time. And the third eye system as well is audible, so you get this buzz. Now when you're stood still, say at a petrol station, somebody comes up behind you, you can really hear it. It gives you a really nice loud sound. But when you're out on the road, like now, it's got this kind of buzz that you can hear even at these speeds. So at this sort of 60, 70 mile an hour, I just heard it do it again. There it is, lit up. So it's not just visual, it's audio as well. Now I'm stuck behind this truck, I want to pull out, I'm going to indicate, it's already lit. I'm going to wait for this car because again, I've just caught it in my mirror, but if I hadn't, look, the system's lit up the entire time. It's gone off, glance, check mirror, safe to pull out. Very, very good. And you can see, really see how this whole INNOVV third eye system has your back and could save you from a horrible ending on your ride. Well, I've just had some most brilliant news because INNOVV have turned around and said that they're going to give you an exclusive discount for watching this video. So all of the links are down in the description. And if that discount gets any bigger, I'll increase it down in the description as well. So you're always going to get the best deal. So to pick up your INNOVV third eye that quite literally save your life, pop down to that description, click on that link and pick yours up today. And if you've enjoyed this video, if you found it interesting and you want to see more tech and products on motorcycles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But most of all, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know exactly how you're getting on with your third eye down in the comments. And I'll see you next time here on Helmet Head. Bye bye for now.